I'm Jacquelyn Emery. I'm a University of North Dakota Student STEM Ambassador, and today I'm going to be talking you guys through how to use the Globe Observer app for both educators and students. So our very first step is going to be go to the App Store, search Globe Observer, and we're going to download it. While this app is downloading, let's discuss what it actually is. So this is a citizen science app where citizens can download it and upload the environment around them, like clouds, water, which can be used to interpret like mosquitoes, tree cover, and even eclipses. So let's go see if the app is downloaded yet and we can test it out. The app is downloaded, let's create an account. The app serves over 120 countries, so if you don't know if your country is one of them, you can check the website for full information. So we're going to create an account, and then the first thing that we're going to do is click on clouds, and we're going to do a new cloud observation. It'll tell you everything you need to do for the cloud observation, so we're going to go through it and get it done. In our cloud observation, there's other things we can do as well. Mosquito habitat, land cover, trees. It's all up to us, and there's also some extra resources for educators that I'm going to talk about too. Teachers can also use this app to create student accounts and manage those student accounts and create a whole school. So this is really a great resource for students while they're learning about weather because they can create their own observations. With this app, you can also look at other observations as well. I'm going to put the link to our website right here, and if you go under K-12 resources, you can find full instructions of how to use this Globe app and a teacher cheat sheet for those that want to use in their classroom. Thanks for watching!